Good morning, guys. Good morning. Headed to the office. Tired, but we survived. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. So today is Naledi's birthday and we are planning a bride. Well, she's part of the plan, it's not a surprise. So she just went out to get few stuff and I'm just in the house. We are expecting our guests at 3-4 o'clock. So yeah, I just want to tag you guys along. I'm going to show you guys the setup now that we've done. Yeah, do join along, enjoy the vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So this is where we'll be chilling, and here we'll have drinks, shots, and everyone who walks in has to take a shot. But play the music, play the music.
I testify for you. I do that 3 but I'm 16. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you're scared of you. I'm not, as long as you joking now it's me. I ain't got it, I'm skinny, fluid. I ain't your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I feel lost when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody's a fight like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody like you do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Take this argument back up to my place. Sex among you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had to, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smashing.
Hey guys, so this is like 2 days after I went to my mini shopping with my family and my mom got me sneakers, so I'm just gonna unbox them because I really did not have time to do that on Sunday because we got back and it was load shedding. Monday back to work, hectic week. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox that and I'm just gonna show you the sneakers that I got, guys. I am so happy. And why live it to the sneaker got Black Friday? Why you guys like this? Now I wanted these sneakers. I'm gonna attach them on the screen somewhere here. I loved those sneakers with all my heart. One thing that I really ask the CEO of Sports Scene is to ask the manufacturer manager if they such to please manufacture those sneakers again and please put them up because I'm gonna buy them, I promise. Like, yo guys, I love those sneakers and I don't have a size because I'm a size 5. I don't have a size. Okay, the whole of South Africa we are all wearing size 5 because the sneakers I cannot size. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you the sneakers that I got. So this is the package and also the service that I got at Central City Sports Scene. Love it. 10 out of 10. So yeah, why have I leave the receipt here? So I got these sneakers for 1,300 rand. Guys, look, and let me come closer. Look at my babies. Look at my babies. Look at my babies. Labon. Look at my babies. Bona, Labon. Okay, let me just take up one so that you guys can see. And then come on, man. I'm new. Like Dinka. Oh. Bona, guys, look at this. Wait. Let me put this down. Yeah. Guys, look at these sneakers. Look at these sneakers. Look at the detailing. Look at the detailing. Hold on, guys. Like, if I'm wearing this sneaker and like kids are my kili one go molong or on the street, it's very hard for you to tell that it's a Puma sneaker. And these are the type of sneakers that I love. I don't like branded sneakers that anyone can tell what it is. I want you to question yourself, Lord, what is that? Guys, look at the bottom part of it. Look at the bottom part of it. 8. One thing about Puma, it will deliver, guys. Oh, guys, I can't wait to rock these. These look so nice. I love them. Close up, Miyama. Labon. I got these for 1,300 rand at Sports Scene Center. Love them. So next up, this honor gift. Let's see what's inside. So this is the packaging. One thing about this brand, it will invest in their packaging. I love it so much. It's giving elegant. It's giving oh guys, look at this detailing. Can you see this? Let me show you. Can you guys see this? It says honor gift here, but it's so hard for you to read. Let me come closer. Can you guys see? So yeah, guys, can you guys see the detailing here? So it's just written honor gift. And yeah, let me just unbox and see what's inside. Oh, Aisha, one thing about their packaging, 10 out of 10. I can't even open this. How do you? Yo, haha. Trust me to struggle. You guys, look at this. Banana, guys, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? So this looks like a handbag. It's very bright. Yeah, it is. Let me just put this down. Cute handbag. It's giving tote bag, which love it. And a fan. I'm gonna need this fan when I do my makeup because wow. And heki look groove. I got this fan because and my makeup goes down. What is this? This packaging manala. Ooh, guys, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous? Yanong ekya hunwa in because definitely can't be coffee. Wait till the guy when there are family gatherings and you wanna drink beverages. We look like I'm not committing in. This committee is for that. What is this? Is this a phone stand? Guys, what is this? Is this a phone stand? King into it. Oh, okay. Oh, smart girl. So I'm just gonna put my mini fan here and then just prep my makeup. Give a girl. So Helena might get ready with me. Little one of this fan or a girl within. This is cute. I think they give away these gifts to customers. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. I think that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please guys, please subscribe. Please make sure that subscribe button is clicked